Hello, everybody, and welcome to another live stream. I hope that you are all well and you are ready for another short tutorial. If you are new to my channel, thank you very much for joining me. My name is Eleftheria, and today I'm going to show you how to play a little bit with that Twitter API. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean, and all the information that you may need are in the description box. So I'm going to code on CodePen. And again, if you're not familiar with CodePen, it's like a beautiful playground that you can write front-end code and everything works perfectly. So what we are going to do is we are going to use Twitter, and we're going to use developer.twitter, and we will get the API, and I will show you how you can use it to show different stuff from your Twitter account. And the inspiration behind that is I have on my website something very similar, and a lot of people has asked me over time how I have done something like that. So today I am going to show you exactly what I mean. So if you look at here, I have tweets by, which is like my name, and here I can show all the tweets, and I think that this is something very beautiful, and it would be nice if you have it like in your portfolio or in your website. So let's see how you can do that. The first thing that you need is to go in this website. It's developer.twitter.com, and again this link will be in the description box. I mean, already it is in the description box. And from here you want to go to docs and documentation, and after that you will go to Twitter for websites. And if you're interested in this kind of stuff, then I would suggest you to take a look on all this information. They are pretty helpful, but we are going to go on Twitter for websites overview, and here you can see how they look, the embedded tweets and the embedded timelines. There are a lot of a lot of information and a lot of examples on what you can get through the Twitter API. You want to go and configure your own embedded, and from here click on try it on. A new website is going to open. It's publish.twitter.com, and what would you like to embed it? This is exactly what you need. Click on this button and you will see all the different examples. For me, I'm going to go with a handle like Twitter dev, and if you click on that, you will see that here you have the name. You want to use your own name or maybe another person if you want to show from somebody else. So I'm going to go with my own, which is like Batsou, and then I'm going to click on next, and here again you have two examples, two options, this one or this one. Again, I'm going to code with that one, with the first one, and pretty much that's it. You have everything you need here. This is what you will get, okay? But if you go on copy code, which is exactly this one, I'm going to close that, and I'm going back to CodePen. So in CodePen, I have a very basic HTML structure. If you're using CodePen as I am, you don't even need all these things. You can just start typing. But if you're not using the CodePen, then if you're using a Notepad or Sublime or Atom or something else, then you obviously need these things. Inside here, first I'm going to body, and I'm going to add a class. I'm going to name this class something like margins. We will add very basic margins. I know that this is probably not the best name, but we will work on that. So for the body, I'm going to add just the background color, let's say yellow, and then I'm going to add the margins. Oops, that should have a dot as it is a class. And I'm going to add a margin for top, left, bottom and right, let's say 110 pixels. And that's it. I will not add like anything else. And also if you go here, okay, so if you go also here, you will notice that on HTML I have nothing, and CSS again nothing, not any class or anything. And the same goes for JavaScript. You don't need jQuery, you don't need anything else, you don't need Bootstrap, literally like anything else. So go back to the HTML, and now this time inside the body I'm going to add that beautiful thing. And the only thing that I did was from the Twitter publish to copy this code right here, literally like nothing else, and then go and have that on my code pen. And what you will get is like this: tweets by Batsou, which is, as I said earlier, like my name. And here you have all the things that I have tweeted about. It goes until, like, it doesn't go very low, there is a limit on that, so it ends here. It's from April 10, my last one, so it goes about 7 days, as today we have like 17. And of course you can load more tweets, and here it says embedded and view on Twitter. All of these things like work perfectly fine, and again you can play with it as much as you want, you can tinker it even more. So yeah, that was the link that I just mentioned about. And if you want to play more with that, then you can change from here both your name and other options. So you can have like a collection, a tweet, a profile, a list, a moment, a likes timeline, a handle, which is what we already done, and a hashtag. I think that it's like really cool, and it gives like a nice vibe to your website. Okay guys, so that was it. As I mentioned, it was something like super quick. I think it was fun. You don't even need to know a lot of coding stuff. You don't have to have like a lot of coding skills and stuff like that. So I really hope that you like this short tutorial, and if you have it like on your website, you can leave me a link and I will check it out. You can leave me a link on Twitter or even in this YouTube video. So thank you very much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and see you really soon. Bye.